Good morning, children. Welcome to our class for third class maths. In your previous class, where I stopped, writing the expanded form. Writing the expanded form. Here stopped here. Now let's see next bit. What is our next bit? Writing the short form. In your previous class, standard form or short form, you write in expanded form. Let's see next one. This is expanded form. You write in the short form. How to write in the short form? Now look here, children. What is our first problem? 200 plus 30 plus 4. Here you get first 200. This is in our 100 place values. Yes, this is in 100 numbers. 200 plus 30 plus 4. Now like this. First you write 200 plus 30 plus 4. You add these three numbers. Okay, children. Now 0 plus 0, 0. Again 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 4, 4. You put here 4 and write down here 4. Now next 0 plus 3, 3. Now here keep here 3. Next one is what? 2. Now write down here 2. What you get? 234. What is your number? 234. Otherwise, this is one method. Other method is what? This number in hundreds. So first in 100 numbers, which number is there? First number is what? 2. So first you should write first 2. This is 200. Now next let's see 100 after tens. Yes, tens in tens 30 is there. So first number is what? 3. Yes. Next you write next 3. Now next tens after ones. So you should write after 4. What your number? Which number you get? 234. Here also you get 234. These both are equal. Okay, children. Now let's see next one. Second one. What is our 300 plus 20 plus 5. You add these three numbers or otherwise first this is in the 100 numbers. This is in hundreds. So first in hundreds, which number is there? 3. You write first 3. Next 100 after tens. In tens 20. 20 means 2. In first number is 2. Next you should write 2. Then next tens after 5. Next you should write 5. You get which number? 325. Next children, 800 plus 40 plus 6. What is our number? In short form, 846. You should write here 846. You don't this now. You don't this method. You do this like this. Okay? You do like this. Next 500 plus 10 plus 5. What you get? 5. First you write 5. You should write 5. Next in tens 10. 10 means 1. Next you should write 1. Then in ones 5 is there. So next you should write 5. Which number you get? 515. Okay, children, you can understand. Write in the short form. How to write in the short form? This is expanded form. This expanded form you write in short form or standard form. Okay. This is copy in your classworks. Still, you're not having textbooks. Please purchase from our school. If you're not having textbook, you can't understand anything. Okay? Because we are following textbooks. This is copy in your classworks. Please children, this is copy in your classwork. Next one, what is our next bit? This is fourth bit. Now next to fifth bit is what? Write the numbers according to the pattern given. Now, what is our next one? If you have any doubt, post in our group. Next bit, fifth bit. What is our fifth bit? Write the numbers numbers according to the pattern, according to the given pattern given. Now let's see first one. What is our, here get some numbers. What is that? 3583, next 3585, next one 3587. Yes, you solve this one. First here you get 3 numbers. You need how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. How to get this remaining 4 numbers? First, which pattern in between these 3 numbers? Means, for example, 3583. Next one is what? 3585. For example, in this first one, you add plus 2. What is our number? First number 3583. You add plus 2. You get next number. Yes, children. You first number you add 2. You get next number. What is that? 3585. Again you add plus 2. You get next number 3585 plus 2. You get which number? Next number. This given number you adding 2, you get the next number. So this is the pattern. Okay. Now plus 2, you get 3587. So next you need this number. How to add? How much add these numbers? Plus 2, because in this between everything plus 2 adding. Yes, every time you adding plus 2. Again you add plus 2, you get this number. Now 3587 plus 2. How much? 3589. Okay, children. Now next, this number you got it. Okay. Next you want this number. You need this number. So how to find out this number? Again this you get number. You adding plus 2. What here given number? You adding plus 2. You get next number. Okay. So 3589 plus 2. How much you got? 9 plus 2, 11. Keep 1. 1 is the carry over. Now 8 plus 1, 9. Next 5. So what you get? 3591. Okay, children. Now next you need next number. So you need next number. How much? We are adding this number plus 2. Again you are adding plus 2, because in this in between numbers every time you adding plus 2. Again you add plus 2. You get next number 3591 plus 2, 3593. Okay. Next you need last number. Again you adding plus 2. Okay. So 3593 plus 2. You get which number? 3595. This is the pattern. Okay, in every time you are adding plus 2, you get next number. This is plus 2, you don't write. What is the given pattern? I explain that, but don't write. Okay. Now this is copy in your class work. Next, let's see next one. Okay. Now listen, Amma. Here first you got how much? 2300. Here given 2300. Next number is what? 2305. What is the difference between? What is both the difference? How much difference here? You given how much? 5. Here what is the this bit? These two numbers between difference is the 5. Means difference is 5 means, so you add first number plus 5, you get next number. Again you adding plus 5, you get next number. In this between, how much difference? 5 difference. Next you need next number. How much adding here? In every time you adding plus 5. First you will find out how much difference in given numbers. In given numbers, how much difference? Then you after doing this process. Okay. Now next 2310 plus 5. Which number you get? 2315. Again you need this number. You add to this 5. You got a next number. 2315 plus 5. What you get? 2320. Now next again you add plus 5. So you get 2325. Again you add plus 5. In every time you adding in this one plus 5. In first one you adding plus 2 because these both numbers between 2. In this both numbers difference is 5. Here difference is 2. That's why you are adding plus 2. Here adding plus 5. Next 2327. You got all numbers. Yes. First you will find out in given numbers difference how much. Then get this is our next number. Okay children, can you understand what this one? Okay, I will give an homework. This is copy in your classwork. What is your homework? First one 900 plus 30 plus 8. You write in a short form. 400 plus 60 plus 2. Okay. Now next to third one. You write pattern. 4267, 4277, 4287. This is your homework. How many problems? 1, 2, 3. 3 is the homework. Okay children. Still any doubt? Please ask me in our WhatsApp group. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Take care.